Hello and welcome to or back to Miss Cresslot's Lair. Today is day 6 of Vlogmas. So this is one of those, it was an interesting day. Also, I should have to say to right, or I should say right now that at this point in time, everything is blending in together. So I am starting to lose track of which day it is. So there is probably going to be a time where I am trying to like come up with whatever day number it is, and it's going to be totally wrong. But anyway, day 6. At the beginning of the day, I was working around the house, getting some stuff done in order to go out for the evening. Went out to lunch with my dad, and after lunch, came home, chilled out for a little while, worked on some editing, and then went to downtown, had their Holidazzle celebration going on. So we went down there and we got treats and got a chance to look at all the little shops downtown and talk to people, see people, and listen to some really awesome holiday music. So at this point in time, you're watching just like the video from it because of the fact that I can't share very much audio. I didn't get very many like inside the store footage, but they had a little farmers market going on, as far as a little craft vendor thing going on. Uh, there were like almost every shop downtown had something going on. So we went down there and enjoyed that. Came out there, it did spit a little bit of snow. So I got this really awesome shot of the snow. I think it's cool. Y'all might not think differently, but I think it looks pretty cool. Um, and then came home, and before we left, my husband put the tree up because I was afraid that I was going to break the tree. Finally got set up. Yay. A tree finally got set up, and I came home after the holidazzle and decorated the tree. So those are the pictures that you are seeing now. And finally, this is a tree skirt. That is the first thing that I made for the household back in the day. So this has seen quite a few years of use. So I hope that you like this little glimpse as to what I did today. And until next time, bye. Hi, Lulu. Are you comfy under there? Is that your place?